Recently, Pyromatic has been going parabolic, rising to $8.26 at the recording of this video, and just about yesterday of time, it touched the $10 mark and still climbing. Now they released a sister token that's a part of their ecosystem called the Burnt Lobster. Absolutely. 1% marketing, 2% liquidity pool, 3% burns itself, and 3% of course burns Pyro. Now it's under a $300,000 market cap, so it's still early to jump in if this is something you want to do, not financial advice, but it's part of the Pyro ecosystem changing the game. Now this is the total supply, and watch when I refresh this page, you're going to see some of that supply decrease because transaction has been occurring. You see that right in front of your eyes, and then when I go zoom out for a minute, this Uniswap pool of supply is decreasing on every transaction based off the tokenomics right here. Now, another thing I want to point out to you, they've already submitted to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, so you should be seeing that happen in the next week or so, maybe earlier as well. Burnt Lobster is in, part of the Pyro ecosystem, and let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, Burnt Lobster, why not? Let's talk about it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, this is the tokenomics and information for Burnt Lobster. It's the second contract to utilize the utility of the PYRO-BURN principle. Now, burning tokens can play a huge pivotal role in helping project increase scarcity, therefore increasing a value. After experiencing how successful Pyro has been, they decided to do a complementary token with a same unique ecosystem and properties as well. Now, when I look at this close, the tokenomics, like we discussed, 1% marketing to grow the lobster, 2% auto LP to ensure the liquidity pool is ever growing, and then 3% burn on their true token, on their own token, 3% burn on the Pyro token. So let's go back and see if there's been any more transaction. Let me refresh this. Have there been any more? So there have not been any more transaction. And when I go look at here, this is what I'm paying attention to right now. Any transaction that's happening here, it's helping really grow Pyro and Burnt Lobster all at the same time, every transaction. Game changing if you ask me right now. Now the Telegram group is about 198 subscribers, so it's an early project, just got released not that long ago. I look at the token sniffer score, it scored 15 out of 100. Look for this to improve some because it is an early project. Always do your research, but it just got launched not that long ago. Now once we see a transaction happen here, you're going to see this supply right here decrease, and as well this will decrease as well. Game changing if you ask me, 1%, 2%, 3%, and 3%. And this is the contract address for the Burnt Lobster. Take a look at it here. Take it slow. Take it real slow. I'm looking at this right now. Always do your research. I'm liking what I'm seeing because Pyromatic is still going parabolic. And why not the Burnt Lobster could follow suit, and it's only at a $300,000 market cap, under a $300,000 market cap. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, why not join the Telegram group? Join that, get acclimated. You may find some Burnt Lobster, and tell them that Captain Adam Shelton sent you there as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.